Hey guys, Rhett here down in Birmingham. Have something super cool to show you today. Something that otherwise I don't think I've ever personally seen before. We have an old church that has been turned into a 5-bedroom home. I'm super fired up to show it to you. We have it under contract. Come on in. So guys, you walk in here to a mudroom, okay? As we move forward, we have our first living room, okay? Now, something you'll see in the video, and I'm not sure how clearly you'll see it based on lighting, but you'll see there's a lot of things on the walls, and I don't know if it was spray painted, I don't know if it was vandalized, but somebody painted over it and is making it look better than it is. But when the light hits it right, you can tell that there's vandalism on all the walls. So what we need to do is we need to paint the entire unit. Now, this unit is about 2,300 square feet, okay? So we're looking at a pretty big paint job with that, and that's going to include doing paint and ceilings as well, so walls and ceilings, okay? Another thing throughout this entire house, guys, the doors all need to be replaced. Every single door needs to be replaced. And if you come in here, you'll see it. I'm only going to comment it on this once. But every door is beat, every door is busted, they have holes in them, they have scratches, rips, and they're all, broken, okay? So everything needs a new door, including places where there aren't doors that need them. Guys, in here, gigantic closet. The whole house needs light fixtures. It looks like someone came in here and took all the light fixtures down, okay? So we have to take care of all the light fixtures in here, as well as, this is why we're painting the ceiling, guys, because there is some pretty significant old water damage on the ceilings, okay? So we need to make sure we take care of that also. Just part of it, everybody. So guys, as we walk through this living room, okay, we enter into what could be a formal dining room. It could be another living room. We're going to put new carpet throughout the whole house. Now guys, over 2,000 square feet, we're carpeting everything. Also expensive, okay? So we continue onward this way, guys, and we come into a little hallway over here, okay? Now, in this hallway, we have another bedroom, okay? So bedroom number 2, again, needs all new doors, but we have our closet, okay? So we have our closet here. We have everything we need in here for a legal bedroom. We have our window, we have our closet, and it's a good size, okay? So we're good in here. Now, we have a nice big bathroom in here, okay? Nice right outside that bedroom. And we're gonna keep moving this way, okay? So there's a lot of different ways you can go. You can see how the layout used to be pretty commercialized and how it's changed. So coming in here, we have our kitchen. Kitchen looks phenomenal. It's got all new pieces here, recently updated, okay? All new handles, all new pieces on cabinets, and the cabinets look fine. So really all we have to do is put a refrigerator and a stove in here, we'll be good to go, okay? Now, as we walk through here, guys, this is an exterior door. This is kind of where we have that cutoff, where it goes from residential to even more commercial. So in here, we have our 3rd bedroom, okay? Closet in here. Laminate flooring that was put down incorrectly. There are huge gaps in between the flooring. Not sure if you can see it here. We have a busted door here. And then in here, we have kind of our laundry room, okay? So we have our water heater. We have newer piping as well, newer plumbing, newer line, which is great. We have our washer and dryer hookup right here, okay, as well as a dryer vent in the floor. And here we have our big central air unit and central heat unit, okay? I turned it on, I kicked it on, it went on, which is fantastic, so I feel pretty good about it, okay? We're gonna go back through this master bedroom into a master bath, which is also in pretty good shape, okay? Again, we're going to be carpeting over all of this, guys. It's just kind of gross. It's slimy under my feet. It's just kind of nasty, and it's not laid correctly either. So we'll make sure we take care of that. All right? So as we keep moving through here, okay, we're coming through, we're gonna enter into bedroom number 4. Now, the problem with bedroom number 4 is, doesn't have a closet, okay? So we need to build out a closet right here. We'll build out a full closet and make it legal, so it can be a legal bedroom that fits Section 8 standards, okay? It has the windows, it has everything we need from that standpoint, all right? So moving forward this way, guys, we come to bedroom number 5. Again, needs light fixtures, smells terrible in here. My goodness, it smells bad. But we'll put, again, new doors up for the closet, new bedroom door, and this room is special because it has 2 broken, busted, disgusting ceiling fans instead of 1. 2 for the price of 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So everything in here, guys, we have even more issues right here surrounding humidity coming out of this, needing to be repainted and fixed there. So overall, guys, needs a lot of work. We're looking at, you know, in the ballpark about $25,000 to get this thing up and running the right way and get somebody in it. Again, it's a huge house. It's over 2,300 square feet. So, you know, the small things add up, and things that you wouldn't expect to be expensive when you're doing them on a much grander scale, they're very expensive. So we're pretty fired up though. I really like this house. I love the layout of it. I love the size, and I think from a Section 8 standpoint, having a 5 bedroom unit, Kyle, you're gonna get fired now. Having a 5 bedroom unit like this is super important, okay? Because there are not a lot on the market. And even if we have to do a little work to get it to that point, we're in such a great spot, all right? So guys, thanks for watching. Leave your questions and comments below, and we'll see you next time.